my mom is about to do a pull-up.
Here's the pull-up bar.
I give you $1.
$2? $3?
All of us will give you $1.
That's $3, yeah.
All of us will give you $2.
That's $6.
That's a Big Mac meal.
Enough.
That's a Whopper.
How about this? We will dig that pond for
Yeah, we'll make your pond this summer.
And I'm making you this deal because I know you can't do a pull-up.
Yes. John, don't say that.
Dad!
Dad!
Dad, I want Dad to witness.
Dad, come here. Mom's gonna show you
We'll
some
go tell him.
exercising tips. Dad, come inside.
Look at this new
We're
chair.
testing Mom's physical fitness.
Let's go upstairs. We're gonna make a deal with Mom.
Why?
Come. Well, don't go back outside.
See, I have work to do.
Hold on. It'll only take a minute. Mom just needs you to witness it.
That's what?
The deal. Lana.
Yo.
Come on.
Come away.
Upstairs.
What? Look, if you held me, I could have got
You could come back. I'll come and help you afterwards.
So what did you help me first and then you do what you do?
Because we need to do this first.
Why?
Because... Man... Okay. The deal is about to go down.
I got people. So we're gonna Mom, where's Dad?
It's coming.
This is not a pull-up.
Dad, hurry up!
That's not a pull-up. This is a pull. You gotta go like
Oh,
this.
which way's easier, Dad?
You go like this and you put your legs.
Is it this way easier or this way?
Hold on, we have to tell Dad what he's telling you.
If you're strong like me, either way, it's easy.
Yeah.
You have to lock your legs.
Okay, Dad.
For me, Dad.
So, Dad, the deal is,
Or use one hand easy.
if Mom does a pull-up
Dad, this
on the
way,
pull-up bar,
is this way easier or is this way?
then us, her sons, will build her a pond.
This one would be easy.
No, huh?
She just needed you to witness the deal go down.
Có nó là hài đó.
Cô hai đó.
Lỡ hài. Lỡ ô tô đó.
Rồi, thì có bà con gato sofa by home by show. Mom, but we gotta show you the real thing. You gotta do it until your chin. You gotta hang. Mom, you gotta hang first like this. Right
From
there.
arm straight to chin all the way past the bar, then back down.
Legs locked.
Up.
Then
Then back down.
You never said about the legs.
Well, you have to lock your legs.
As long as your feet don't touch.
Mom, you have to do until your chin. Pat. Put on Yeah, Dad, show her. Okay. Show her how it's done.
After seeing that.
Hey, but you have lots of ways to pull yourself up. Oh my God. If you want to cheat him, then you have to hop a little bit. Dad, show her the frog kick. Oh my God, Gray.
Oh, that's scary.
No jumping, Mom. No jumping. Go! You ready? One. Are you ready? You ready to take? Just pull. One. Your chin above the bar.
Whenever you're ready, Mom.
On the three. One.
Hold on.
Are you ready to take? It's two.
Your feet aren't off the ground.
Three.
It's not off the ground yet.
When you're ready.
Get off the ground. Come on, you can do it, baby.
Ready?
Yeah,
Yep. For a pond, Mom. A pond.
Go. Go. Yeah.
I can do this. Like
Yeah, Mom, it's easy.
show you.
It's easy. after you do the first one, you can do second one, third one, fourth one.
I can't do it.
It's just like, hey, quit! Mom, please don't make it like you're trying. That's a sofa. They need to move to another room.
Mom,
You're
studies show that if you yell, you have more strength. Oh, her feet went off. Her feet went off the ground.
You should have taken that. No, you should have taken that point. You too. You should have taken that foot.
Hold on for it, like hang on.
Yeah, then I can get up.
Well, you're not supposed to use your legs anyways.
We should get Auntie Sam. You come do this too. Auntie Rose, Auntie Jenny.
Oh, Auntie Sam, she's light. She could do it.
No, she
But not Auntie Rose and Jenny.
Her feet went off. Her feet went off.
Put on you too, Kevin.
Her feet went off. Her feet went off the ground.
You have to let me jump a little bit.
No.
You jump a
I
little
can't
bit.
even.
Okay, jump. Jump a little bit. Go for it.
We got that on YouTube
Go
already.
for it. Jump a little bit. Go for it.
I don't know why we wouldn't let her
Go.
jump. I just feel like she can't jump. What the? Crap. Do it, Mom.
Jump.
Go for it. Just jump.
Oh, you missed it.
Almost got it.
Mom, let me see. Let me see how high I could jump already.
Your jump is a pull-up.
You have to hold on there first.
Yeah, Mom.
Yeah, Dad can do one-handed.
Yeah, I can do one-handed.
Do it, Dad. Show us.
Jesus Christ.
Show us. Show us one-handed.
No, no, Mom, you have to turn that way so we know it's you.
No.
I'm guessing no pound for Mom, man.
Guess not. It's just... Dad, make her kick higher.
Kidney fall.
Mom, you should train
You
every
don't
day.
get punked. You don't get punked.
Mom, yeah, you should train every day until you're able to do it. And then we'll
then
give you
we
a challenge
Mom,
us.
this is the way you jump, Mom. Mom, this is the way you jump. This is the way you jump. This is the way you jump. What the hell? You pull yourself and you go.
How do you jump then?
You jump up, my mom. You jump up.
Like, Dad's even
Yeah,
doing
but
the
then I might
outside
miss
grip.
the bar.
What are you talking about, Mom?
Did you record her saying that?
Look. What's the head for?
Muscle Man!
Bow.
Oh, we should get Auntie Paul to do it.
That's why I can't reach, yo. You're a chair.
Push it out.
No. Leave me.
This alone can be the vlog.
You need women. I can
This
believe
alone
it.
will be your next vlog. Thanks to John. Oh my. Thanks to John.
No! She got like this much off the ground.
Why? She was looking at it and then you like, oh.
Because John was doing
I
pull-ups.
just brought it up. I'm like, Mom, I want to see you do one.
No.
Oh,
See?
oh.
I could have hurt myself.
I told you to jump like that.
You hold on and then you jump.
Jump.
Then how do I jump?
You jump and you pull the bar at the same time.
Show her how it's done. What's wrong with you? Jump like that. Jump like that.
Jump and pull the bar
Just
towards
jump
you.
like you know what jump, for God's sake.
Can't jump then.
You can't jump.
Look, I have to tippy toe to touch it.
Why are you so short? Maybe if you jump.
See, if I don't tippy toe, then this is it. I can't even do it.
Oh, you're not that much short. Oh, yeah, you are a lot shorter.
See?
Here. See? If you jump and hold at the same time, it's even easier. But
No, but that thing I went
hold
on.
it, and then you jump and pull the bar towards you, it's so much.
I can't do that.
Mom, I thought you were so confident in yourself. Yeah, Mom.
Do one.
Your pond is slowly fading away.
It's
My
memories
pond
now.
is gone now.
Your palm is in Manila. And it's not coming home.
No pond for Mom.
Man. Make it, yeah, I do the point.
No. You already did a pull-up.
Dad, the deal is if you could do 10.